What if you could create a miniature universe? Well, scientists are doing just that, but not with magic, with math and physics. Welcome to the mind-blowing world of universe simulations, where humans recreate the cosmos inside a computer. Ready to find out how they pull it off? Simulating the universe is one of the most ambitious and complex tasks in science. But why do scientists do it? The goal is to understand how the universe evolved, starting from the Big Bang to the cosmic web of galaxies we see today. Think of it as running a what-if experiment on a cosmic scale. By recreating the universe, scientists test theories about dark matter, galaxy formation, and even the ultimate fate of everything. The first step is creating a model. This involves taking what we know about the laws of physics, gravity, quantum mechanics, and thermodynamics, and encoding them into computer algorithms. But that's not enough. They also need initial conditions, data from observations, such as the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is essentially the baby photo of the universe. Next, scientists add the universe's essential ingredients: matter, dark energy, and gas. Dark matter and dark energy are especially tricky, as they're invisible and only understood through their effects. Yet, they make up 95% of the universe. Scientists tweak their models to match how these components should behave over billions of years. Here's where the magic, or rather, the computation, happens. Supercomputers crunch equations that simulate billions of particles interacting under the influence of gravity and other forces. These calculations can take weeks, months, or even years, depending on the scale. The results? A universe in a box, complete with galaxies, black holes, and cosmic voids. So, what do we learn? These simulations act like cosmic laboratories. For example, they've confirmed that dark matter is essential for galaxy formation. They've also helped refine our understanding of cosmic expansion and could one day reveal the origins of mysterious phenomena like fast radio bursts or even the nature of dark energy. Simulating the universe is like being a detective with a time machine, unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos step by step. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our endless curiosity about the biggest questions. Where did we come from? And where are we headed? Stay tuned, because the answers might just be written in the stars or in the code.